Welcome to Brain Vision.
So we're going to start with a free body diagram. So we have upward force at AY and at B. And then we have C, D. This is 4 kips per foot. And of course, also we have this and this. Both are 8 kips. And between here and here, it's 2 feet, and here, it's 5 feet. So I'm going to take the moment at B so I can solve for A. So moment at B is equal to 0 equal to negative AY times 9 plus 8 times 7 plus 4 times 5 times 2 plus 2.5 plus 8 times 2. And to calculate this, all we did was just do 4 times 5, which is 20. We take half this distance, 2.5 plus the 2, to reach our point B. And solving for all of this, we get AY is equal to 18. And we can look at our shear forces. So our shear force at point A, is going to be the same as AY. So it is also 18. Our shear force is going to be constant from point A to point C. So and now at point C, we do 18 minus 8, and we get 10. And now from C to D, and also let me label this. From C to D, our force is going to vary linearly because of that 4 kips or 4 kips per feet or per foot. So we do VD is equal to 10 minus 4 times 5. That equals to negative 10. And also at point D, we also have negative 10 minus 8, and that's negative 18 kips. And then from point D to point B, our shear force is constant. So now we can look at the bending moment, and our bending moment at A is going to be 0 and increase linearly to point C. So at point C, we have 0 plus 18 times 2, which is 36. And then from C to D, our bending moment is going to be a parabola because of the 4 kips per foot. And at the center of our shear force is 0, And at point D, our shear force is -10, right, from what we calculated. And our bending maximum, or our bending moment will be max at that center. So we have 36 plus 10 times 2.5 minus 4 times 2.5 times 2.5 over 2. And solving for that, we get 48.5 Gibbs-foot. And then our moment at D is going to be 36 plus 10 times 5 minus 4 times 5 times 5 over 2, and we get 36. And then our moment at B is going to be 0. So now I'm just going to copy this and move it over so that we can do our shear force and bending moment diagram. We're pretty much just plotting the values we had just calculated. So this is our shear force, this is our moment. And for this, we said that VA is equal to 18. So we're going to go to 18. And then we come back down to 10. And then we have our negative slope line going to -10. So that's going to be that. And then we're going to go down to -18. And then back to 0. For our moment, we have a straight line that goes to 36. And then we have a parabola with our height, our max height, 48.5. And then we have a negative slope going back to 0. And this is 36. So our maximum absolute value of our shear force is 18. And our maximum for our moments is 48.5.